Snowdon. You just look about and you're thinking, shit, this is an ill place, mate.
We have just climbed that fucking bad boy right there. Wait, where did we go to? 1 minute. Right up to that point there. To them pussies, I was swinging my legs over that bit, they were there. What to say, boys?
Eating your bacon bashers. High definition.
Yep.
By the time you read this, mate, you'll be fucking watching it in a thing like that, in a hologram like that. I'll be fucking 3D, mate, 4D coming at you, approaching you from every angle. Don't come at me, because I will just fucking down the situation.
Right, watch out, Duff's had 3 Carlings and he's feeling everything, right?
I've had 1 fucking Foster's.
Good lad.
Johnny, what you saying? I hope you're not smoking weed, you naughty boy.
Never.
What?
Never.
Not you, I mean me in 10 years.
No.
That's what we're doing this documentary for.
Smack weed.
This is what's going on in the party gaff. This is what's happening. The legs are getting crossed in the sleeping bag and all sorts. Craziness, seeing our tarpaulin. Like that. Love that.
This is how you used to look before your cheekbones imploded from all the smoke. This is the sexy tarp that we use as a cover. Let me just give you the outside view of the sexy tarp.
Actually attracts women.
It attracts women like fucking flies to shit. 1 minute. There we go. See, look, can't keep away.
Fender off me, Jack.
Oh, don't worry, she's scared.
She's just drinking at the water all. The peach, mate, just chill.
Spooning.
Buffalo at the water all. Absolute celebrate the Queen's Jubilee. Nah, mate, I celebrate the rain coming back. Man was getting sunburned.
What do we want? Shut the fuck up. When do we want it? Get your cock out. Friends for fucking...
Friends against...
Friends against...